best way to think about the accounting framework is to use a simple analogy of water pipes and tanks. Water is stored in tanks and flows between them through pipes. This interactive model simulates the accounting transactions and balances for the example of selling goods to a supermarket chain. So with this in mind, let's click Start. Immediately we see that days start to go by. The flows through the pipes that we can see correspond to accounting transactions, and the levels in the tanks correspond to accounting balances. The balance in a tank will go up if more water flows into the tank than out, and down if more flows out than in. The buttons here allow you to pause, restart, and reset the model to day 0. Dragging this receivables days slider has an effect on when the business is going to receive payment. And dragging this revenue slider allows you to change the amount of revenue that the business generates each day, i.e. the total amount of goods the business invoices its customers for each day.